This is Sean Fell here again. We're going to look at support for Kubuntu today. So the first place we're going to go to is into our web browser. So again, applications, internet, and our Recon web browser. Now I've left clicked and brought one up here to my home folder, so we can bring this one back, or we can actually click it and add it, or we can copy it here, and you can see the file already exists, so we can cancel that. So we'll left click once here, and we'll open this tab here. It's Kubuntu.org. And you can see you can get Kubuntu here. You can download the CD, burn it as an image. You can also buy a CD or DVD, or you can access a free shipment of a CD. So we'll go back here again, and we just add a tab, and we look at the KDE community forums. And these are your forums here about Kubuntu, tutorial and tips, graphics and multimedia, Office, games, other software. They're localized forums. Then you can pick a forum for whatever country you're living in. So that's called forum.kde.org. So we'll go back to this first one here again, and we click on the Finding Help. And this is very good, this Finding Help page. It's kubuntu.org, again /support, and you have your you can access your free documentation. This will be on the PC. I'll show you this in a second. You've got your community page here for your community help. So we click on here, and here's your web forums, which is kubuntuforums.net, and you can register here. So if you have a very simple question to ask, or a very advanced question to ask, 9 times out of 10 there will be someone on this forum with an answer. That's the great thing about Kubuntu. It has great support for people who just starting new to Kubuntu. So we'll go back again. We also have mailing lists. It's called Kubuntu users. So I'll just make a tab here again, and we'll just go into the Google page. And if you can set up a Gmail account, so just type in G on Google. This is the easiest way. Just create a new account here, okay, and use that account then for all your Kubuntu related stuff. So again, here's the mailing list. You can enter your mailing list here, and so anything coming up new or something different on Kubuntu, well, you'll automatically get an email, and you'll have users as well sending emails to and from each other. Now, so we'll minimize this. Now if you go into your kickoff menu here, and into your applications, and if you scroll down, and you'll see the help section there, and this is the help center. Now the documentation for Kubuntu is absolutely excellent. So we'll say, for instance, we're looking for application manuals. You see it here on the left. So for instance, we're looking for internet. So these are all your internet applications here. So for instance, we're looking for the Recon web browser, and it gives you a detail how the web browser works, how to set it up, how to change the settings. And again, we can bring this up here again, and as you can see, also we have the online help here again, introduction to KDE, getting help. So I can applications, and there's also tutorials, and there again, there's the community forums I showed you, and there's also a tech base as well, and a KDE documentation site. So we'll just let the tutorials load up, and here it is here. So you have plenty of help with Kubuntu and plenty of information just at your hand, or just by a click on the web browser. So that's about it for this moment. We'll talk soon again.